If you own a cleaning business or if you own any kind of business, check out this video. I want to show you how you can protect your photos from someone stealing them by putting your logo or watermark on it. I like to use the Pic Collage app. You go in it, you grab whatever picture you want. For example, if you want to do a before and after, you can make it in any shape or direction you want. I always suggest having a logo professionally made. I have one for my business, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, and it looks like the earth and cleaning supplies because my business is an eco-friendly cleaning business. So I use that logo right there. I can cut out the background, I can make it different size, and I put that on my photo. I would always suggest putting your logo right in the middle of your photo because it makes it a lot harder for someone to try to steal your photo if there's a logo right in the middle of it, instead of putting it up on like the top left corner or the bottom where they could just crop it out. If you don't have a logo and you just want to write your business name, you could totally just write your business name. So find an app where you can do this. Almost all photo editing apps let you type something on a photo. So type your business name, put it right across the photo, somewhere smack dab in the middle. That's my recommendation. It just makes it harder to steal if there's a logo right in the middle of the picture that someone's trying to take from you. Now, I have seen cleaning businesses take cleaning photos from other cleaning businesses. Not cool, not right, but it happens. So this is just an easy way to protect your photos. Also, if you're using CapCut to make videos, you could still do this with CapCut. You can also write your business name through the entire video so that you're protecting your video. So I definitely urge and recommend any business that uses photos to attract clients so that they can show their work. Definitely get some kind of watermark or some kind of copyright of your name on the photo or video.